Hey friends, this is the Rachel Jane Wellness Channel. I'm Rachel. I'm so glad that you found my channel. I cover a variety of topics in the wellness industry. I'm very passionate about health and fitness, as well as creating a toxic-free home and lifestyle. So as you can imagine, there are so many things that can be covered in that realm. So if you are here, I am assuming that you also want to learn about that. Maybe you're researching, maybe you've been on your wellness journey a long time. Whatever it is, I'm glad you're here. Hit subscribe. That way you can follow along and learn along the way with me as I'm learning and preparing videos for you. If there's a topic that you want me to cover or you have a question about something, please email me. Let's connect. I would love to talk to you and help you along the way, because I think that the more that we can work together, the better off that we will all be. And committing to healthy habits now creates a better and healthier tomorrow for each of us. And I know there are always more areas that we can grow and learn, and I believe that we do that together. So I'm glad that you're here. Like I said, hit subscribe, leave a comment, ask me a question, whatever it is, let's connect. I'm excited to do this journey with you.